Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. There's a quick one. The hamster combat Morse code. The hamster combat Morse code. So today's Morse code is airdrop. AIRVROP. So the first letter is A. So an A is dot dash. That's the first letter. The second letter is I, and that's double dot. I dot dot. And the third one is R. R is dot dash dot. So we have dot dash dot. That's R. And the next one is a D dash dot dot. So we have dash dot dot. That's D. Another R. R is dot dash dot. We have dot dash. Oh, missed it, so I have to start again. Dot dash. That's A. I is double dot. R is dot dash and dot, and D is dash dot dot. Then R is again is dot dash dot. O is dash dash and dash. Then P is dot dash dash dot. So we have dot dash dash and dot. So that's airdrop, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share this video to your friends so that they can also participate in this daily cipher. See you in the next video. Turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I drop a new video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.